Hello people, this is SelfTuts and we are continuing our series on Kafka for beginners, and in this video we will understand another scenario related to consumer group behavior in Kafka. So in the previous video we have seen that how the consumer is going to behave when we have multiple partition but a single consumer. In this video what we are going to do, we are going to see that how the consumers are going to behave when we have a single partition but multiple consumer. So in this thing you need to note that the partition is single but the number of consumers are more than one. So here both the consumers are registered to the same consumer group. So the first prerequisite that we are saying is what? Both the consumer instances that are running are registered to the same consumer group. So let's say this is the topic and it has only one partition, that is P0. So this topic is present inside a Kafka cluster and it has only one partition, P0. Now we have two consumer instances, C1 and C2, and they are registered to the same consumer group. Our C1 consumer will start to consume from partition P0. But what will happen? One consumer will be sitting idle. So this C2 consumer is not going to consume anything from this partition 0. So from this we can understand an important concept of Kafka is what? Same partition can't be assigned to multiple consumer in the same group. So if there are some partitions present there inside a topic, so the same partition can't be assigned to multiple consumer in the same group. So if the consumer belong to the same group, so the same partition can't be assigned to them. If there are more than one partition, so let's say P0 and there's P1. So P1 can be assigned to C2, which we'll see in the next subsequent videos. But the important point is what? Inside a topic, same partition can't be assigned to multiple consumers inside a same consumer group. So I think this concept is clear, and this will help you to design a better architecture using Kafka tools or Kafka ecosystem. Let's see this in our demo that we'll be creating two consumer instances and there will be a topic with a single partition. So first I'm going to do is what? I'm going to go to this Kafka manager which we have installed in previous videos, and we have already linked this Kafka manager to our Kafka cluster. So I'll just open it, and I have cleared all the data which I did in the last video. So currently there is only one topic which is the default topic that Kafka creates, that is consumer offset. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new topic, and the name of the topic will be registered user. And from our configuration what we are going to do, it is having a single partition. So I'll just give one partition and create it. If I go to the topic view, I can see here there is a single partition, that is 0, and if I reload it, then the latest offset is 0, which means no message has been published yet to the partition. I'll go to my IntelliJ IDEA, and here you can see that we have already written some code before. So there is some producer and consumer. So producer is doing what? It is basically creating this producer instance, and then it is getting this data, that is get user registered, which uses the faker module of Python to generate some fake data like name, address and year. So this data is present inside this registered user, and then we are sending this registered user data to the registered user topic which we have created here. So basically this is the registered user topic in our Kafka cluster, and we are sending that to this data, registered user data, to this topic, and the interval is of 4 seconds, which means the data will be sent only after 4 seconds. The diagram says what? It says that we are having two consumer inside the same consumer group. So let's go to this consumer.py, and here you can see that I've created a consumer instance, and this is listening to the topic registered user. So this Kafka consumer is going to what? It is going to consume the messages from registered user, and the bootstrap server is this, which we have discussed in previous videos. If you are not familiar with it, then you can refer to the previous videos so that you can get a better understanding. Once the Kafka consumer is there, then we are doing a simple print that's starting the consumer, and after that we are consuming the messages. Now in our slide we have shown that there are two consumers, C1 and C2, which is connected to the or registered to the same consumer group. So what I'm going to do, I'll start two consumer. So the first consumer I'm going to start is what? It will be Python consumer.py, because the name of the file is consumer.py and we have already written the code here. So it will start the consumer, and the most important thing is what? The group ID is consumer group A. So I'll just run this file. Fine. So it is started, and it is saying what? Starting the consumer, which is this log, right? Since we don't have any messages or we haven't published any messages, so there's no log write as of now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to split this terminal vertically, I means horizontally, and then again we are going to start the new consumer, that is C2. So the consumer will be same, but the instance is different. Why? Because we are running it separately. So I'll say python consumer.py, and this consumer is also registered to this consumer group A, which we have shown here, consumer group A. Fine, I'll start it. So everything is working fine. We have started to consumer. Now what we'll do, we'll start pushing messages to P0 because we have created only one partition here. As you can see, there is only one partition, which when we defined the topic using create topic, there was only one partition. So there is one partition, and this producer is doing what? It is sending messages to this registered user topic. So now let's see. I'll run this, and what will happen? Only at one place we are going to get the log write, either at this or either at this, whichever consumer will get first assigned to that topic. Both will not get the message. Because why? Because in the slide we can see that the same partition can't be assigned to multiple consumer in the same group. So let's run it and prove our theory. So I'll just run it, and you can see we have started publishing the messages, and this consumer got registered to that partition. So you can see here I'm getting the messages here, but I am not getting the messages here. Fine, you can see it is messages are present here, but it is not coming here even though the consumer is up. Now what I'll do, I'll just reload this, and you can see that I'm having this consumer group A, and it has only one consumer instance being shown. Because why? The partition 0 is attached to only this consumer instance, and the second consumer instance, it is there, but it has not been assigned any partition, so it is sitting idle. So I think you have understood this concept, because you need to take care of these things when you're designing a Kafka related system or Kafka related architecture. That same partition can't be assigned to multiple consumer in the same group. If they are in different group, let's say this C2 is in different group, then this C2 will also consume the message. But if it is not there, then it will not consume. Let's say we'll change it here. Okay, fine. So this is consumer C2, and I have done Control C. Now what I'll do, this consumer has stopped. So I'll come here and I'll just give this consumer a different group, that is group B. Fine. So here this is already running. So if I'm changing the file, there is no effect because that consumer instance is already running. So now I've changed the consumer group, and if I do what? Python app.py, python consumer.py. So what will happen? It will start a new consumer instance, but this consumer instance is attached to a different group. It is not attached to this consumer group A. It is attached to consumer group B. So this will also start getting the messages. So let's see, and let's prove this theory. Okay, now you can see all the messages, because we have gained earliest. So that's why all the messages were there. Now for every publish, both will get the message. So you can see same name Matthew, and here also Matthew. And from here also Matthew has been published. So Robert, and then here Robert, and here also Robert. So I think you have finally understood it, that inside the same consumer group, two consumer instances can't be assigned to the same partition. But if they belong to different consumer group, then everything can work fine. So hope you like this video. Hope you like my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and please share these videos with other people. Thank you.